Welcome back, everybody. I'm Dave, the Carving Rookie. This weekend I went and checked out the Hamilton Woodworker Show. There was a nice display of carvings from competitions that had went in there. It was a lot more woodworking type things in this particular event. I was hoping to get knives and stuff like that. There really wasn't, just a lot of bigger tools, but there were some good demos, pyrography, wood burning. Not even sure how to pronounce that. The Ontario woodworkers were there, and people were carving magic wands and that kind of stuff, which was pretty good. All in, it was a good day. I picked a few things up, mostly some magazines. Got a couple of blocks of Basswood here. I think they're like 2 by 6 by 3. I got a few of those, and I'm gonna make for sure an abominable snowman out of one of them. I also grabbed just one piece of zebra wood. Look at the grain on that. I have no idea. I've never carved this. I'm assuming it's a hardwood, hard to carve. So drop me a comment if you got any tips or tricks about this. And definitely if you have any ideas about what I should carve with this. I got one shot. So obviously I can order more, but I've got one. I want to make it count. So I'm going to be a little reluctant, but open to suggestions. Tell me what I should be carving with that. Also grab some magazines, not magazines, but instruction books. I don't kind of go through them, but I got like a Learn to Whittle, a lot of great tips and tricks and that type of stuff. Flat point animal book, Christmas ornament book, and a soldier book. So those should keep me busy for a while and help spur the creative juices, which will be a lot of fun. Anyway, so be sure to follow back. Just a heads up for those of you who look for me regularly. I am off on a business trip as of tomorrow, so I'll be gone for the week. Unfortunately, no carving for me. But when I come back next weekend, I'll be hitting it hard. And remember, on November 24th, we're going to start the carving competition. Just another week of just fun. Pick the topic. So on my YouTube post channel, if you go there, just if you have ideas, pick. We're going to do a Christmas holiday ornament theme. I don't know if we're all just going to do an ornament with a spin on it, or if we're going to all pick the same thing, like we're all going to do an elf, for example. But the idea is do something creative, do something fun, make it your own, something crazy. A good example would be I challenged Whittlin monkey to do a shark, like my Sharky shark. And he did. He made his own shark, total different shape, but a shark, and put gnome feet on it, which is pretty crazy. And he challenged me to do fruit, so I did an avocado with a big smiley face kind of guy on it. So we'll have a little bit of fun with it. It's there's no winners, there's no losers. It's just, a virtual carving club that we can have some fun and banter with. So anyway, looking forward to getting back next week and getting to carving.